Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get Urdu font on picsart. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can go to your browser and then you have to search for Urdu font you want to add to your picsart. You can search for Urdu font and I'm just going to download Urdu font from here. I'm just going to click on download this font. Okay, wait. Alright, and now the Urdu font has been downloaded, and then I'm going to go to my picsart and I'm going to import the Urdu font to picsart. Okay, go to picsart and then you can create a new project. I'm just going to choose photo from my pins album. Wait guys, I'm going to go to my pins album and I'm just going to add one of my photos here. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys how we can import custom font to picsart. If you want to import custom font, we can go to the text menu and you need to type in something. I'm just going to type in like this. Oops. And then we can go to the font. Click on see all. Okay, and then we can go to this option, my fonts, and here you'll be able to import custom font to picsart. Click on add fonts and click on add fonts again, and just hold on. I'm going to go to my download album and I'm going to install this font. Oops, sorry guys, I think I need to extract the font because it's still in the zip file. I'm gonna go to my download and wait, I'm going to install this one. I'm going to extract it. Alright, and then I'm just going to go back to my picsart and add fonts. Okay, this one guys, I'm going to import it. Okay, and this is the font guys. Now the font has been applied to my text. Okay guys, and that's all the way to install Urdu font on picsart. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.